This free tool makes it fast and easy to create a watermark on your image using an image for the watermark. To begin, select the type of watermark you want to use by ticking the box with the text that reads Image Watermark. Select the image you want to watermark by clicking the button with the text Choose File. You can then select any image or photograph from your computer to watermark. When the image you choose loads, you're going to see a tic-tac-toe looking overlay with red borders. The purpose of this is to divide your photograph or image that you want to watermark into 9 even sections. Select the section where you want your watermark to go by clicking on that section. Select the image you want to use as the watermark by clicking the button with the text that reads Choose File. Choose how transparent or opaque you want your watermarked image to be by moving the slider with the text that reads Watermark Opacity. Click the button with the text Create Watermarked Image. About a second later, you will see another button appear that says Show Watermarked Image. Click this button and a new browser tab will open with your image and its watermark. The reason the image has to load in a new browser tab is that if your image that you select to watermark is larger than the watermarking tool's borders, your output watermarked image will be shrunk down to a height and/or width that is smaller than the original image. By placing your watermarked image in a new browser window, there will be no width or height constraints applied to your finished image. To download this image, right-click it and select Save Image As.